Here we are trying to use M to manipulate this table. I'm just digging into M myself, but I'll try and give an account of what I did. So the first step was to promote the headers twice until we got item, account IDs, and names as headers. And then we split up the column that had lists of account IDs in it so that we had one column for each account ID. And then we did the same thing for names so that we had one column for each name. And then we unpivoted the columns so that we had a list here of account IDs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And a list here of account IDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step was to make it so that we had one record for each name account ID combination. Then we added a custom column which said if use text end. So it got the last value that's in the last character in the attribute column, and it got the last character in the attribute 1 column. And it said if those two are the same, then return true, because what we're after is the column for Joe where his name and his account ID and his code are in it. And that means that when Joe matches up with 2 and 3, we want to get rid of those. We don't want to consider those rows. So we added a filter on the rows to get only the rows that were true. And that way we end up with a list of the names and a list of their account IDs. And it looks like we should try to remove duplicates because we have Joe and Sarah showing up twice. But that will be an adventure for another time.